Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Baker Act and trying to fix the situation after the fact. And what I mean by that is where I get a lot of people who call us, and I get at least 1 or 2 calls a day, which really is heartbreaking, from people who got Baker Acted and they were held too long. They got coerced into signing a voluntary admission agreement without giving informed consent. They got Baker Acted by the police. They got Baker Acted by the clinician. And rather than take action to get out as soon as possible, they ended up getting stuck there for a week, 10 days, 15 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You get the picture. And, my counsel, my team's counsel, and this is sort of my philosophy, is that if you get Baker Acted, you should fight to get out immediately. And so, one particular individual had called us and she wants to sue the facility. She wants to sue the police. Good luck. First of all, the facility, which is an agent of the state's mental health system, and the police, who are agents of the state's mental health system, enjoy what's known as sovereign immunity. What does that mean? It means it's pretty much, it's virtually impossible to sue them. You just can't sue them. I mean, can you sue the cops? You can. I'm not handling those cases. I'm not going to sue the police for you. Can you sue the facility? Well, according to the Baker Act statute, the simple answer is they're immune. You can't sue them unless you've been physically injured. And I mean more than a bruise. I mean, I had a young lady that unfortunately was raped in a facility. I had a young man who had his nose broken after getting attacked. Other than those types of things, and I don't wish those upon anybody, waiting to get out and then hoping that you can sue, it's not happening. You can't fix this after the fact. You're not going to get any money. I wish I could tell you otherwise, because if I could and I could sue them, I'd have been retired and sitting on a beach years ago. And by the way, I had a family member Baker Acted too, and I was there when it happened. So I really get it. But after the fact, there is very little, if anything, we can do for you. You can file a complaint against the facility, and I'll send you to someone who can help you with that. But I mean, you can do that. I don't think it's going to get you any closure. The way to attack these things is to fight to get out the minute you get Baker Acted. That's the time to do something, not after the fact. After the fact, it's just too late. I wish I could tell you otherwise, but that is the way the statute is written. And so for those folks that got Baker Acted, my heart goes out to you. I'm really, really sorry, but nothing I can do for you after the fact. And with that said, I'd love a thumbs up for the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.